Ladies, if you're watching this video, we're going to talk about Tahebo or pau d'arco. It's also called lapacho. But pau d'arco is what I commonly refer to. I just did a video previously on lapacho. Is it good for gut problems? It's very, very good to use for vaginal disturbances. You know, for burning, for itching, for any kind of vaginal issue. You need to get about 15 to 20 grams, okay, which is about 0.7, so it's about 3/4 of an ounce, roughly that amount. And then you want to get about a pint, or about 5 or 6, between 5 to 600 milliliters, or roughly a pint of pure water. So use good quality water. Don't use tap water. Use a stainless steel saucepan if possible. Now you need a lapacho, a strong one. So you need a good quality one. Now this is where you need to really hunt around and find an authentic, proper pau d'arco. Don't ask me where to get one from. Do your own research online and have a good look. All right. So it's got to have a roughly between 2 to 4% lapachol content. Let me write that down for you so you know exactly what that means. And how you're going to use it is you're going to bring that bark and that water to a rolling boil, and then you're going to simmer that for 20 minutes, okay? So lapachol, 2 to 4%. Oh, shocking handwriting, haven't I? Okay, so that's what a lapachol. The lapachol content between 2 to 4%. So make sure from the person you purchase it from that it has got that, and then it will work. Because a lot of women I've told to use pau d'arco don't get the result, and often they're using cheap, fake junk. Okay, so the fake is never as good as the real. It's like watching a fake Elvis Presley instead of the real guy. Imagine the difference looking at a fake and looking at the real Elvis. Okay, so you can't compare Elvis with pau d'arco, but what I'm saying is you need the real deal. When you get the real stuff, you'll get the results you're looking for. Okay, get a tampon, you soak it in that solution. That's what you do. You boil it, you simmer it, you strain it. When it's tepid, soak a tampon in that, insert that, leave it in overnight, and you can do that for several nights to see what the comfort level's like. It should help you tremendously, especially if the issues are happening premenstrually. I would recommend you try that. Just remember a 2 to 4% lapachol content, otherwise it probably won't do much for you at all. And then, like so many other women, you'll say it's just another fake treatment. Click on my link if you want my free 17-page Candida report. Thank you.